When you search for the best drill attachments for sanding, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Palmsair Sanding Disc Kit. First up is the Palmsair 133 PCS Sanding Disc Kit, priced at $27.44. What caught my attention was its variety of grit sizes, ranging from 60 to 10,000. If you want a comprehensive sanding solution for multiple surfaces, this is worth a serious look. This kit features a full-cycle sanding support with a variety of sandpaper grits for both dry and wet use. This means you can easily tackle anything from car scratches to wood finishing. The durable silicon carbide material ensures you'll get long-lasting performance, while the vibration-reducing interface foam pad means you can work longer without discomfort. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, having the right grit at your fingertips can save you time and frustration. Now, some people complained about the durability of the pads wearing out quickly. Here's the thing though, while it may happen, the sheer versatility and price point make this a solid option for most users, especially if you're into varied projects. This is perfect for you if you need a comprehensive kit that can handle different tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something very specific or only need a few sandpaper sheets. You're getting great value for money with this extensive kit. Now, if the variety of grits overwhelmed you, the next one simplifies the process while still being effective.
Product number 2, Adwacoso Sanding Disc Assortment. Next up, we have the Adwacoso 100 pieces 2-inch sanding discs, priced at just $9.38. I was drawn to the fact that you get so many options in one package. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective sanding option, this is definitely worth a look. This set includes a range of grits, from 80 to 3,000, making it ideal for various tasks. The aluminum oxide material ensures durability, so you won't be replacing pads constantly. The 2-inch hook and loop design fits most die grinders and rotary tools seamlessly. Here's why this matters. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, having this level of grit choice means you'll get the finish you want without breaking the bank. However, some users mentioned that the pads don't adhere as well as expected. I'll be real with you. If you're using them on a powerful tool, you might feel that slip occasionally. But for lighter tasks or smaller tools, they work great. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile sanding solution without spending a lot. Skip this if you only need a specific grit or heavier duty options. You're getting solid performance at a fantastic price. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger quantity.
Product number 3, Pukamum 174 PCS Sanding Kit. The Pukamum 174 PCS 3-inch wet-dry sanding discs are next, available for $27.94 3 inches. I was amazed by the sheer number of pieces and how versatile this kit is. If you need a well-rounded sanding solution for various surfaces, this one should catch your eye. This package includes 160 pieces of sandpaper, along with several polishing pads and foam sponges, allowing for both wet and dry sanding. The silicon carbide construction means that these discs can handle tough materials, ensuring a thorough finish. Here's why this matters. No matter what you're working on, whether it's metal, wood, or even glass, having the right tools at your disposal makes a world of difference. One downside noted by users is that some pieces may be overly delicate under heavy use, but I think for most home projects, this won't be an issue. Just remember to adjust your pressure accordingly. This is perfect for you if you tackle a variety of projects and need a diverse selection of sanding options. Skip this if you only need a couple of grits, because this kit might be more than you need. The value for the amount of pieces you get is impressive. Now, if you're looking for smaller discs, the next product offers a compact solution.
Product number 4, Pukamam 331 PCS Sanding Kit. Next up is another offering from Pukamam. Their 331 PCS 2-inch wet-dry sanding discs, also priced at $27.94. The first thing that caught my attention was the sheer number of pieces included. If you want a massive selection of grits for a variety of tasks, this kit has you covered. This set mirrors the previous one in quality, but offers a smaller disc size of 2 inches. It includes a broad range of grits, ensuring you can go from coarse to ultra-fine. The silicon carbide material allows for the versatility of wet and dry applications, which is essential for different projects. Here's why this matters. Smaller discs can be easier to manage for detailed work, especially in tight spaces, making them perfect for intricate sanding tasks. However, some users say that the smaller size can be tricky to handle for larger areas. While I get that, if you're working on detailed projects, this is less of an issue. This is perfect for you if you're focused on fine detail work and need a large variety of sanding options. Skip this if you're looking for something to cover larger surfaces quickly. The price for the quantity is genuinely a steal. Finally, if you want a larger option for more heavy-duty tasks, the last product has just what you need.
Product number 5. Auto Tool Home 5-inch Sanding Discs Kit, priced at $19.05. I was impressed by the assortment of grits available for various tasks right out of the box. If you need something that can handle heavier duty jobs, take a look at this. This kit includes sanding discs with grits from 60 to 800, which cover a wide range of sanding needs. The aluminum oxide material is tough, making it ideal for grinding and finishing on various surfaces, whether it's wood or metal. Plus, the hook and loop backing makes for easy attachment and removal. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working on larger projects, the 5-inch discs will save you time and provide a smooth finish efficiently. However, I did notice some complaints about the durability of the discs under heavy use. Honestly, if you're going to be sanding a lot of tough materials, you might need to replace them more frequently than you'd like. But for most DIY projects, they should hold up well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable sanding solution for larger surfaces. Skip this if you're mainly doing intricate detail work, as the larger size may not be as effective. The value here is solid given the quality and quantity of the discs.
To wrap up, we've explored 5 great options for drill attachments for sanding. The Palmsare kit offers a broad range of grits, while the Adwacoso is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. The Pukamom 174 PCS set provides versatility, and the smaller Pukamom option is great for detail work, while the Auto Tool Home Kit is ideal for larger surfaces. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.